This is cool. Come in these Teslas and never look around. Super cool. It's actually super spacious too. All right, let's see. So, gotta get used to that. So this is the screen. You just pull down and you want to put it in reverse. Isn't that cool? Okay, all right, let's go on down. Why are we not going down? Right in reverse, aren't we? Air pressure tire very low. We know that. Press. Oh, I gotta. Okay, so you gotta. I thought it was gonna just roll by itself, but it doesn't do that. Take our time because the tire is low. I try to go for a whole steering, and there's not even a whole steering. There's only part of a steering. Oh my God. Oh, how did I do that? I beat the horn and all. All right, terrible, terrible parking, but let's go forward. This is so weird with half a steering. I'm trying not to go too. All right, and then reverse. Okay, see that over there. Let me try to use the backup camera. I suck at backup cameras, honestly. Gotta look at through my windows. Okay, I think that should be rather. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's worth it. Let's see. See if I got it right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I just gotta call him and let him turn it off. Cool, 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 cool. All right. So this is a Tesla X, I think 2023. I gotta check my paperwork. It's a very beautiful car. Pasito, pasito, toma tanatito. Hi, yes. So the car is parked. You can lock it and turn it off.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're more than welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you. God bless.
Same to you. Have a beautiful night. Bye-bye. So that's done. Hopefully you guys like my vlog, man. Run the vlog up. It's not a vlog. Is it a vlog? Channel. I don't know. Oh, that lighting was better than the thingy, my lighting in my truck. But anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I keep hearing YouTubers say they start off with 4 views and all of that, and I'm like, okay, maybe one day it'll be me, you know, but I have to be consistent. So I'm trying to be consistent. So because I'm trying to be consistent, can y'all like my videos and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see. If you if there's something that you guys want me to teach you, or if you want to teach me something, put it in the comment on these videos, please. I beg, Chalet. All right, bye.